Hi, my name is Sam. I work for Social Kudo and Local 30. We have a lot of people that just don't have the time to come to a meeting to learn what we're doing and why we're different. So I think this web presentation will be helpful. Local 30 is not your traditional networking group. We believe that business has evolved and networking needs to as well. We don't do 30-second introductions and we don't do a 10-minute spotlight presentation. We believe that learning something that will actually help your business grow during the meeting is far more beneficial than hearing the same people say the same things every week. I asked a friend last night how come he doesn't go to networking meetings. He told me it was because every time he went, he felt like it was take, and he never got anything from it. You're supposed to sell through the group, not to the group. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen very often. So, if we aren't a traditional networking group, then what are we? We are a business development group. We help local businesses grow by focusing on education, relationships, and referrals. Lots and lots of referrals. Each Local 30 group will determine the number of business development meetings that they'll have per month or quarter. Some groups won't actually meet at all. They'll be virtual groups. For the groups that do meet, the first 30 minutes of the meeting will be open networking and ordering food if the meeting's at a restaurant. The second 30 minutes will be a group discussion about a business development topic that'll be led by a facilitator. The last 30 minutes for those that choose to stay will be more open networking or maybe brainstorming to talk about implementing what you learned that day. The business development meetings will cover the education and relationship part of Local 30. Becoming friends on social media will help build those relationships as well. How we do the referrals, though, that's the really amazing part. Chuck LeBeau's the developer of Social Kudo. He's the one that created the software that we'll use to do referrals. I'll tell you more about that in just a minute. Chuck had a very good career in the telecom world and was doing really well and decided back in 2001 that he was tired of working in corporate and started his own business. He had to learn how to market to his customers. In the corporate world, he may have gotten paid $100,000 for a big job, and now working for smaller companies, he may only make $1,000 per customer. So to make the same amount of money, he needed to be able to talk to more people. That's when he figured out that all the math he learned in school was great, but the most important symbol on a calculator is the multiplier. That little X, that's where the magic happens. When you use advertising or hire a salesperson to represent your company, you're using a multiplier. You multiply your message by the potential reach it has depending on what vehicle you're using to spread the word. Newspapers, billboards, direct mail, radio ads, TV ads. Chuck looked at the cost of all these types of things and the return expected and figured out what you really needed to do to grow your business was 3 things. Your company must be social, mobile, and local. Back in 2004, what he found was that there were no companies that could do that. So he created a company that could offer social, mobile, and local to help businesses grow. Any product that he adds to Social Kudo has to pass the test. Is it social? Is it mobile? And is it local? For the record, Social Kudo has generated over $100 million in revenue for their customers since 2006 using this same concept. So Local 30 may be new, but Social Kudo is not. So how this will play out for Local 30. Social. Yes, you must talk to people, but with smartphones, you can do more than just talk one-to-one or one to even a networking group. You can talk one to all their friends on social media, and that's a very big multiplier. Local 30 will be a group of up to 30 local businesses that will commit to sharing each other on their social media pages using a software provided by Social Kudo. Sharing on their personal Facebook page is required, but they can also share on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Google+. Mobile. The software is an easy-to-use web platform. No download required. Just click a few buttons on your phone, and it takes less than a minute to do a day. When a fully formed Local 30 group does this on a daily basis, your information will be going out to an average of about 15,000 people. Imagine a group of 30 local businesses that actually go out and pass out 500 of your business cards, basically giving you a total of 15,000 referrals. That's what Local 30 does for you. Local. Even if you're part of a national company, you need to make yourself feel like a local business. People want to do business with a guy in their neighborhood, not someone at an 800 number across the country. With the easy-to-use mobile web platform, you'll be able to give referrals out to your friends, family, and business owners with a few pushes of a button on your phone. There is a local part of Local 30 that you can upgrade to, where we'll actually go out into your community and talk about your business for you. Our current Social Kudo customers pay between $1,000 and $3,000 a month to use the same software. We decided to create Local 30 as a way to help small businesses grow while helping others do the same for a fraction of the cost. Each Local 30 member will get their own custom mobile website that has all their contact information on it and links to their Facebook and website. This information is actually what the members will share via social media, and they'll each get a copy of the business development guide that'll be used during the group discussions. So what does it cost to be a member? The one-time setup fee to get your website set up and the business development book is $150. The monthly fee for Social Kudo software that allows for the sharing via social media is $50 a month, unless you upgrade to one of the other options. We do offer credit to your account for any referral you provide, so it'd be very easy to actually have that $50 a month waived. This is a month-to-month commitment for two reasons. One, it protects you as a business. This will allow you to give Local 30 a try, and if it doesn't work out for you, which we believe it will, then you can give us a 30-day notice and we'll just call it all good. Number two, it protects the group. If you're not doing your sharing, then you'll just be asked to not return. And also, since the group will be giving referrals if a business owner is found to not be ethical, Social Kudo will look into the situation and see how to move forward. So, would you like to see a demo of Local 30? I knew you would. On your phone browser, type in demo.mylocal30.com. Don't do the www, just demo.mylocal30.com. When the website comes up, you'll click on the calendar button and then click on the day of the month. Let's say today's the first day of the month. After you've clicked on the calendar, click on the number 1. The demo is currently set to have that be a chiropractor, but that could change. When you click on the number 1, their custom website will pull up, and all you'll have to do at this point is scroll to the bottom and hit the little F for Facebook. If you're already logged into Facebook, your phone will know that. You'll just need to write something nice and then click share. Otherwise, you'll need to log into your Facebook page first. That's it. The next day, you log back on, click number 2, scroll to the bottom, click the Facebook icon, write something nice, and then click share. The power of this is in everyone's sharing on the same day. If you can find a way to get about 15,000 on average personal referrals out on social media for $50 a month, I'd really like to know about it, because as I see it, Local 30 is the only way to do that. Remember, on your Facebook page, people expect you to say good things about your own business. The magic happens when you get other people to say good things about you and your business on their pages to help you reach people you would have never known before. It's basically a personal referral. We are going to start Local 30 groups all over the country, and we will need facilitators to help lead the business development discussions. We do offer an incentive for a facilitator, as we know it will take a little bit of time and effort to lead the group. If you're interested in becoming a facilitator or joining a group in your area, I'd love to hear from you. My name is Sam, and my email address is sam@socialkudo.com, or you can call me at 817-521-3124. That's 817-521-3124. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching this video, and we'd love to help your business grow. Thanks.